The internet connects us in amazing ways, but every photo, every post, and every comment creates our digital footprint. But what happens when we don't think before we click?
Look at this funny photo. I'm gonna post it with a caption.
Are you sure? That might embarrass Mama.
Relax, nobody will care. It's just for fun.
Why would Ziad post this? Everyone's laughing at me.
That's not right. Ziad should ask the music first. Talk to you later.
Oh no, look at his comments. People are making fun of Mama's expense.
I didn't think it would get this bad.
Class, let's talk what just happened. Posting without permission, sharing embarrassing photos, or making hurtful comments. These are no good signs of digital citizenship. Remember, once something is online, it's almost impossible to fully erase.
Mamad, I'm really sorry. I thought it was just a harmless joke, but I didn't realize it would hurt you. I already deleted the post.
Ziad, I just wanted to respect it online. The same way we respect each other in person.
That's what digital citizenship is all about. Respect, responsibility, and safety.
So, what have we learned today?
Always ask permission first before posting.
Be kind and respectful. Words and images can hurt.
Think carefully, because our digital footprints last forever.
And remember, being online is privilege. Use it wisely.
Digital citizenship is about being responsible, respectful, and safe online. The internet is powerful. Make sure your choices build others up, not break them down.
Class, we will be having an activity. So group yourself into two and you make a slogan about what happened yesterday. A slogan about digital citizenship.
Oh, let's be partners, Ziad.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, we're done, Mama.
I know. We just have to pass this tomorrow.